Hi everybody, this is Tom VanderMolen, and I want to welcome you to the Child Psychology Psych 117 for Allen Hancock College. This is going to be a brief introductory video of what's going on in your class that's new. We have a new textbook, and because of the new textbook we have some course design changes that are new to this psychology class. So briefly speaking, the child psychology class is in Blackboard, and that's not new, but what's new is that we have 3 new components of the Blackboard, or of this textbook, that are embedded within our Blackboard system. The first is there's an e-book. You can get a copy of the e-book, or actually you click into it and click in with the code that you purchased when you purchased the book, and that will get you in to use the e-book. Now if you purchased a regular hardback copy, that's fine, but you can use one or the other or both. There is also a section called the chapter assignments, and within the chapter assignments will be the quizzes and final exam. Now the quizzes and final exam are still to some degree being redesigned to fit this new format. I definitely have quiz 1 through 5 available for your use right now, so it will not stop you from getting started with your class and posting quizzes. So I'll have that, should have that done sometime this week or next week. It will not interfere with your taking this class. The third component that's been embedded into this into the Blackboard learning platform is what's called My Virtual Child. Now historically I had students writing essays for each chapter, and they had to do with a specific chapter question that was a topic within that chapter. And in this particular case you had 17 essays to write. With the My Virtual Child, that assignment's going to change. Instead, what you're going to do is you're going to incorporate the topics and the lessons learned in the chapter readings into raising your own virtual child. So each one of you will have a virtual child in which you'll be raising this semester. And in the process of raising that child, you'll get feedback from the My Child program in regards to the interaction between your parenting style, your genetic contribution to the child, and the child's own nature and nurture. And the results of this is what you're going to be writing about. There's going to be 4 questions presented to you, and these questions are associated with the 4 sections in the book: infant to toddlerhood, or infant, or birth through infant, conception through infant, toddlerhood, young child, middle child, and adolescence. Each of these will have a series of questions. These questions will be very similar to the questions that the My Child computer program asks you to respond to during this, during your interaction with the program. So be diligent in answering these questions. It provides you a little space within the program to answer them. But I also want you to make a copy of your response to the question, save it to your computer, and when it's time to write the paper about that particular section, you can use your answers that you have already made and incorporate them into one meaningful, well-written response paper for each section. So you'll have 4 papers to write based on the 4 sections of the textbook. And each section has a number of chapters associated with it. So as I see this, what you'll have to do is read the chapter sections, take your quizzes, then have the interaction with your virtual child, and when it gets to the point that you are the computer will notify you that you need to respond to their questions. You write their questions, make a copy of it, and when you get through one of the sections, you go into the writing paper section and you pull up the question, write your paper, and submit it through turnitin.com. Alright, I'll talk more about turnitin.com later in a different video. I'll also have a subsequent video to give you more instructions in regards to the My Child assignments and how that works. Okay, but for now, to get this program going, just start reading the textbook, do chapters 1 and 2 within this week and next, and then complete the quizzes. If you notice, when you go into the quizzes for chapters 1 and chapters 2, you'll have a pre-test, post-test. You have all sorts of things available to you within there to help you study for these quizzes. And initially, the first few quizzes you'll be able to take as many times as you want, and they'll be the same quiz. And the point here is for you to learn how to be successful in taking quizzes and not successful in getting a better grade. Yes, I want you to get a better grade, but I don't want you to get that better grade by learning how to be a successful taker of multiple choice exam questions, and not just by copying and posting and finding the easy answer. In any case, all the quizzes and final are open textbook, so you can use your e-book or your hardback book to take your exams. Okay, for now that should be enough to get you going. In an online class of the design that I have, there's no one standing over you saying on your mark, get set, go. It's up to you to start the process of your learning experience. So keep going. And in case somebody needs it, on your mark, get set, go. Get going. This class is 17 chapters. You have 16, 17 weeks in the semester. So on the average, you're going to have to do at least one chapter per week. I suggest you get ahead of the schedule as much as possible in case something in life interferes with your ability to participate in this class for a week or so. Okay? Alright, so that's it. Good luck. Email me if you have questions, and I'll see you next time around.